In today's fast-paced urban environments, traditional monitoring methods are no longer sufficient. Manual logging leads to inaccuracies and inefficiencies. The cost and wastage of resources are escalating problems. Introducing Ignite Shield, an innovative solution for environmental, water quality, water usage, and asset monitoring designed to transform urban management. With Ignite Shield, IoT devices are integrated seamlessly into facilities, spaces, and assets, providing comprehensive monitoring solutions. Real-time monitoring for immediate insights into environmental conditions. Customize alerts to stay informed about critical changes. Easily generate detailed reports for data analysis. Remote monitoring capabilities ensure you're always connected. Enhance operational efficiency. Minimize resource wastage, contributing to a sustainable urban future. Increase asset lifespan through proactive measures.